Your EtherChannel bundle may not be load balancing the traffic as you intend it to. By default, there will be a certain load balancing algorithm that is set up on your Catalyst switches. And how can we verify that? We can use the show EtherChannel load balance command. Let's go out to DSW1 in our live environment and type in show EtherChannel load balance and see what's happening by default on a Catalyst 3750E. The load balancing is source MAC address only. Well, if the traffic flowing from DSW1 to DSW2, so the clients in VLAN 10 to the clients in VLAN 20, if we are load balancing based on source MAC, it is very likely that the majority of traffic is going to utilize the same link on that EtherChannel bundle. We're not going to have a very efficient distribution of the traffic flowing across the EtherChannel bundle. So we want to fix this problem. We want to modify it. And what we'd really have to do in the real world is analyze the traffic that's flowing across the EtherChannel bundle. Capture it, analyze it, and identify what links, based on the current algorithm, is being utilized more. And then modify the algorithm that it's being used with the port channel load balance command after we determine what is the most effective way to distribute the traffic. Is it better to do maybe just destination MAC or destination IP or source IP, or maybe a combination of the two? Using that XOR operation and looking at the source and destination IP or the source and destination MAC to give a wider variety of options when coming up with the index number that's going to be utilized to ultimately determine the port that traffic is going to be sent over. So let's modify the load balancing algorithm that's being used on DSW1. Configure terminal. The command is port channel, and then load balance, and then what option do we want to use? In this case, let's change it to source and destination IP. Source and destination IP. We'll hit enter. Now if we re-execute the command, show EtherChannel load balance, we can now see that we are load balancing based on source and destination IP now, instead of the default on a 3750E, which was, do you remember? Source MAC. So now we should have a better distribution of traffic across the EtherChannel bundle between DSW1 and DSW2.